Okay, so this is from the pea family, and it really grows widely in West Africa. Okay, so Prekese is the tree. It's from the Akan or tree language in Ghana. There is a botanical name for it. It has an English name, but honestly, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it because it's a mouth. Okay, the Igbos also have it. I think it's called Uhio or something in the Igbo language. There are many names for it in different countries. It's all across West Africa. Okay, and like I said, it comes from the pea family. Normally in the forest or where it grows, they don't pick it. It just grows and then dries. This is the fruit of the tree, so it dries and then it falls down, and then it's being picked up. So this is just like a little bit of background for it. I love this thing. I just love it. When I don't feel well, I don't feel so good, or I just want this unique flavor in the soup I cook with it. I make tea out of it, and I also make a tincture out of it. So I'll be demonstrating a little bit, about the tincture and then the tea. Okay, so I just want to demonstrate to you how I make my tea out of Prekese. Like I said, it is a delicious tea. It has, potassium in it, iron, vitamin C, phosphorus, all the good things you need. Okay, so we just do that. Okay, so here, what we are going to do, we're just gonna good, where do you want to go? It's too big. I would really like to know if any of my viewers, any of you have tried this before, or made the tea or used the Prekese in any other way. I would really appreciate it if you can, let me know in the comments how you use it or what you use it for. I think that will help other viewers, people who don't know about it, to have an understanding of it. So I would greatly appreciate it if you help me out by letting me know what you use it for and how you prepare your bread. Okay, that should be about enough. So here, we close it and let it sit a few minutes. Under normal circumstances, if I wasn't shooting a video, I just, let it sit for 10-20 minutes and then really infuse.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, so it's been a little bit over 10 minutes now. Let's see how our tea is doing. So, look at this beautiful color. Okay, it's loaded. I tell you, this is healthy stuff. You really want to drink this. Just the aroma, the flavor by itself without any honey or sugar in it is just fantastic. Okay, and here we also have our wild pure honey from Skin Passion. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit to it. I mean, this thing, this fruit, Prekese, you drink this tea or put it in your soup or your tincture, it really promotes, blood flow throughout the whole body. Helps with it. Really want to bring this tea back. It's so hard. Would you like to try it? I'm going to try it. delicious. I mean, the weather is cool. It's not so hot. I mean, this is really nice in the morning, in the evening when the weather is just, not so hot and you drink this tea. It's just fantastic. So, get yourself some Prekese from any source or from my shop in Etsy, and, enjoy yourself, drink healthy. It's really going to help in a lot of ways. You can also Google it and read more about it, okay? So I'm going to demonstrate again to you in the next step, how to make the tincture out of, the Prekese, which is very good for the men. Not only the men, the women can also drink it. I do drink it from time to time, just to boost my appetite, so to speak. Okay, well, let's do that. Okay, so here I want to demonstrate, show you how I make my tincture. Okay, what I have here is our local gin. It's really local. This is made out of, sometimes it's made out of sugar cane, and then also tap from the palm tree. Okay, so this is our local brew. It has so many names. The popular name is Prekese, Ogogoro, Apio, all kinds of names, that it has. So what we are going to do is I'm going to cut this into pieces, put it in here, add the local gin to it, and then let it infuse with it. When it comes to the Prekese, it's funny, huh? Two sides, like here and here, it's very, very hard, and then these sides are very soft, So let me show you this. It's so easy to cut it like this. Oops. But if I attempt the same thing here, it's almost impossible. Yeah. So two sides are soft, and then the other sides are hard. Out. Run away. Sorry about the noise. Here we go, the soft side. And this is how I chop mine. Normally, if I'm making soup with this, I might cut it just into like 3 pieces and drop it in there. Okay. I think when you turn it this way, it cuts. Okay. So now I have my jar here. I usually use the jar because if I use a bottle, the neck is just too small. For the Prekese, the piece is too close to it. So now you have it in here. So what is going to happen is you just pour your local gin on it. You can do this with any other gin, any other clear alcohol, or your favorite drink. So this is it, and then you cover it tight, and you let it. I let mine stay for a week, but then it's really infused, and then you can start, using it, start drinking it. Okay, if you are impatient and you can't wait, after 2 days you can start. But as it ages, it gets better. As it ages, it gets better. So this is how I make my Prekese tincture. Okay, this is very good. Like I said, it's very good, for the men. Research says it, not me. It improves their sexual performances. It's also good for people who have no appetite and really want to eat something. You can take, a shot of this. Okay, I'm not promoting alcohol drinking here. I'm just showing you the medicine, what you can do with the medicinal values of what you can do with it. Practice the health benefits of practice. Okay, I think we've come to the end of our video. I am so grateful. I thank you very much for watching my videos, and thank you for the new subscribers. And please, if you really like our videos, then click on the like button. That helps us a lot. And also, like I said, let me know where you're watching from. Which country are you in? Let me know if you ever use Prekese. Let me know how you use it. Let me know what you use it for, how you prepare it. Let me know. And if you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer it. Sometimes, things fall through the cracks. There's so many videos, so it's not easy to follow up on everything. But if I come upon it, I will answer it. Okay? And I thank you very much. I just want to tell you that be safe, stay true to yourself. God loves you, and it is well. This is Aisha coming to you all the way from Accra, Ghana. Bye bye.